Well, guys, this is gonna be my first or second video. So let's start playing Roblox. Today we can play, I don't know, build a boat for the treasure for Chill Studios. I really like this game, and it was a bit from my childhood, so anyway, you might see other popular creators like Have I Do the Windows thing. Well, it loads the game. Well, it doesn't show over here because I'm using the Roblox app, and I'm using it on computer. So you might see me loading. The computer is not very good. So yeah, let's play a bit. Oh no, they made something. Oh well, wait. Oh, they gave fireworks too. Oh, that's cool. I remember the time that they gave you a bow when you started. Well, I'm gonna build a boat over here, and I'm gonna see you guys. Well, this guys, it's my boat. I know it's not great, but it's something. So yeah, let's go.